Meaning of gold brick.
Gold brick.
Gold brick.
Gold brick.
Gold brick. In English, the term gold brick is often used to describe someone who is lazy, unproductive, or pretending to work while actually doing very little. The phrase originates from a scam that was popular in the 1800s where con artists would paint bricks yellow and pass them off as gold bars to unsuspecting buyers. Therefore, someone who is a gold brick is seen as fake, worthless, and cheating others. It's an idiom that serves as a warning to beware of those who appear valuable but lack substance or integrity.